I doing now? I'm gonna route out these edges so they're round on both sides. That's pretty much all I'm doing. So this right here is my Bosch. What is it? It's a Bosch 1617 EVS router motor, apparently. There's a base and a whole kit. I don't know what the hell year I bought this, but it was assembled in USA. So anyway, it does work. And what I'm planning on doing is basically I'm going to drop this down to a respectable level here where I can get this thing to cut. And hopefully we will have liftoff. I think that's all the way down. So let's hop to it. There we go. My first time ever building a surfboard, so bear with me. Let me put this on the ground here. I'll cut most of this out because it's really not needed, but this right here, this right here for now. Did it? Shit. So I'm gonna put this over here. This side first. Yeah. Other side next. Just trying to get it to stay on there for now. Won't that be perfect? Just gotta hold it. Here we go. Drop it down. I know I forgot to put my glasses on, but I'll comment in the comments. Tell me how unsafe this is. My daughter threw flowers on here. Damn brat. So I got half of it done. Now we'll flip this over this way. Move that side and the other side. Let's put this over here, I guess. That back over here. This recording? Yeah. There we go. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Got a little stuckage in there, but seems to work pretty good. Now let's see, get this off of here. This is a mess right here. Have fun cleaning this part up. Metalworking shop. I'm more freaking sawdust in it right now than I normally have. Let's see. Welcome to the sawdust barn. Yeah. Let's see. Drop it like it's hot. Turn it on. So now we have a perfectly round 5-foot something surfboard. Yeah! Needs a lot more sanding, of course. This will probably be the top. And no, I'm not going to use this finish. I'm going to sand it down, refinish it. But so far, it's not bad. Not an expert at this kind of stuff, of course. Anyway, you can see it's rounded. It's got nice and round. It's not perfect. I mean, it's got little imperfections and shit, but no worries. I'll take a sanding block, sand it down real good. Ta-da! Good job. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check all the people listed below. And stay tuned, I got more stuff on my sleeve.